Ooh, hello traders. It is 12th of June 2017. Let me just shut the window. This is weekly insight, obviously. Now, we didn't have one last week because I was actually away doing what you're seeing on the desktop right now, which was my day skipper. So we can get some light on that, which was my day skipper. Which was awesome, man. We went out to France and we did some quality sailing, and it was really good fun. And I'm proud of myself because I passed. And I don't know if you've been following anything that I've been up to, but I had to do quite a lot of studying for it. So yeah, it's quite interesting for me because I have been on a few sailing trips, maybe 5 or 6 sailing trips, but I've never actually, I've very much been a passenger. So it's been quite cool to learn what the hell's going on, really. Um, so yeah, that was that. Well worth doing. But I didn't get to do a weekly insight last week. I wasn't trading last week. So yeah, I've just had a fresh look at the markets. Now, with that in mind, what have we got? Not a lot going on. I've made lots of notes here. So there's been some great moves, particularly around like the euro and GBP have moved quite a lot. Um, but there's nothing that I'm really loving. Um, for just an absolutely sweet trade. There are a couple of entry orders which I've got set up. So let's have a look. Shall we have a look at those? So if we just have a look, Swiss Jappy. By that I mean these are trades which are kind of a little bit more support and resistance trades. So this is one I've had going for a while actually, and sat there for a while. So you can see these peaks here. I was hoping it would just clip it here and then just do a kind of support and resistance down to this level, but it hasn't done it. Looking at the trade now across all time frames, looks like it's going to go further south. But I will leave that here just in case it comes back and does its thing again, because it is. If you look there, you can see that it is actually kind of in a some sort of channel. It's not the clearest channel in the world, but there is. It is kind of bouncing about. So you never know, might retest again. So that's Swiss Jappy. I've got lots of the same ones here. CAD, Swiss. So I've got to make sure these don't all fire at once. CAD Swiss, yeah. So this is more of you have to look at this on a weekly kind of level, really. But it's a similar kind of thing. Let me switch it over to week. It's just support and resistance trade. We've got quite a lot of support here. So it clips here, goes on up here. So it's just making use of this kind of channel that you can see sort of along here and somewhere around here. Now, of course, it might not get down to my order. I've kind of squeezed it to get the most value out of it, but it might, So I'm just going to leave that like that for now. That's that one. USD Swiss. What have we got on here? Let's get on to the daily. So again, similar kind of vibe. We've got these tails, hoping it clips this tail and carries on up north. That's it, really. Not much to kind of say there, other than we'll see how it goes. Now, when these, oh Christ, I'm coming up tired now. That's what 7 days at sea plus a stag do does to you. Yeah. So with all these, I may trail them, I may leave them. I'm not certain yet. And CAD Jappy, what have we got here? CAD, I think this one is a little bit different. CAD Jappy, we're in too far. This is actually a 2-hour trade. So let me switch this over here. Well, let me put you on the weekly first. I just think weekly's looking a little bit kind of, we have been short. It's kind of churning a bit, but you could argue it's pulled back and tried to roll over. Excuse me. So I've got a little 2-hour trade on here. Jesus. Which was looking to continue this down. And this has happened since I looked at it, which was only about 10 minutes ago. So let's have a look at that 5-minute chart. That's all. Yeah, there you go. So some users just come out. Fortunately, I wasn't clipped in on that. And it's starting to look like I'm not going to love that trade so much, unless of course it just spikes, which it may do. So I'll leave that there for now. With news, who knows what news is doing? We could be going long. If it rejects this and comes all the way down here, it won't be too bad. It will look like it's bearish. So I'll leave that for now. That's all I've really got. You know, with any, there's nothing that I'm screaming love for at the moment. The markets have been a bit kind of, they have been moving. You know, we've had the elections and that, and there's a little bit of turmoil there. I mean, things to look at. We've got silver has been heading south. Unfortunately for my ISAs, you know, so silver's heading south. It's actually shaping up quite a nice sell signal there. I'm not liking it because I'm already, because it's already moved quite a lot. But you know, if I could, I'm going to see what this does. I might be able to get in here about, you know, maybe 17 and sell it short. But I'm not really in any rush for this one. I am so sorry. I've been working all day and now I'm doing this and I'm tired. Maybe that's not the best time to be trading. So apologies. Yeah, so that's that. Silver, oil's been selling off a wee bit. We're daily, so yeah, you know, there's nothing massive going on there. And then the indices are still particularly high at the moment. You know, they don't want to come down. Trump doesn't want them to come down. Christ, I don't know what's going on here. But anyway, that's where I'm at the moment. It's quite a quick one from me. Let me know if you got any value out of it. There's just not much I'm seeing, but I'd love if you've seen any setups that you like the look of, you know, that are kind of our daily setups, not kind of day tradey stuff. I'd love to hear it because I'm not seeing them at the moment. But anyway, I'm only just back in the markets. I don't like to dive in too quick. I've got various few things which I'm keeping an eye on there, which you can see down here. You can check out for yourself if you want to. And yeah, that's it. So I'm just going to keep on. I have to go to bed. Sorry, early night for me, but yeah, I will be back next week. I'm going to do a video on a monthly review of last month, look at the trades. I'm probably going to do that. That'll be out either before or after this, not certain, so the order might be different. But anyway, yeah, that's for next week. Yeah, it'll probably come out after this. I hope you're having fun, live the dream, let me know how you're doing. Let's all trade together, learn from each other, and have far too much fun. Live the dream, bye bye.